Every cook knows nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5-quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
We're going to give you a closer look at the Cuisinart 5-speed hand mixer that comes in either white or black, and we're going to show you the white one. So some of the features is that this one has 220 watts of power, so that's going to be plenty to make even cookie dough. So you'll get 5 speeds on this, so it's going to mix everything from cookie dough all the way down to a really light souffle or whipping cream, of course. And then it comes with care and use instructions, the warranty, and then also a recipe book that's full of different kinds of recipes that you can try. So you can see the little pictures there that are going to match up with the beaters, so you don't have to guess what one goes into which hole. And it just clips in really easily, just like that. So now we're going to listen to the sound, and just be aware if you're wearing your headphones right now, this might get a little bit loud. And then for cleanup, you can either put the beaters into the dishwasher or just let them sit in warm soapy water to clean. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and this is Cuisinart's Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer with storage case. The great thing about this is it has 220 watts of power. It has a smooth start feature, which helps eliminate splattering while you're mixing. It has a 1-step power switch right here. It has 9 speeds. It comes with this sturdy snap-on storage case, which holds the hand mixer, as well as all of the accessories. It comes with 2 beaters, a whisk, 2 dough hooks, and a spatula. You could just make so many different things with this hand mixer, from cookies to brownies to breads with the dough hooks, as well as cakes. One of the greatest features of this is that it has a swivel cord. It can swivel from right to left for right-handed and left-handed use, and it sits flat down like that. It also has an eject button for the beaters right here, and they come right out, and you store them into your case. If you love to bake, this is definitely an item that you should have on your countertops.